Okeechobee babies. Okeechobee babies. It's time for Mommy and Daddy to send you with Angie. Put up.
We are still ticking
and loving life,
taking time out with our Prius.
Our last day on the road to Florida, as we crossed over the Georgia and Florida state line, we were met with high winds and storm alerts. Our stops for potty breaks were short and sweet, no time for sightseeing. We kept the pedal to the metal and drove. We made it to Mom's Florida rental for this winter and found it was not ready for guests. Our plans were to set up Buddy for the week. However, the high winds and the rain changed our minds. Our greatest cousins, who lives nearby, took us in with love and hugs for the night. With high winds and rain in the forecast for our entire week's stay, we decided to find a nearby Airbnb. Just our luck, the North Lake Estate RV Resort had motel rooms available. Located across the road from our cousins and is where Moms rented a lot and camper for their first winter in Florida. We were impressed with our room and the size of the bathroom. Wow! North Lake Estate is situated on the western rim of Lake Okeechobee, which offers a relaxing, entertaining resort experience featuring extraordinary views, full range of amenities, and best of all, budget-friendly. Whether you are in need of a motel room like Eddie and I were, or wish to enjoy one of their charming vacation cottages, this Florida RV resort offers 300 campsites that are available for the night or for an entire season. Moorhaven and Lakeport, Florida, located in northern Glades County, are small, sleepy towns on the shoreline of Lake Okeechobee. In its early days, Moorhaven was often called Little Chicago because it was located at the junction of Calhoun River, Canal, and Lake Okeechobee. Lakeport was founded in 1913 and originally known as Lakeport Colony. Mom and Jim fits in very well with the Lakeport Christian Church family. They enjoy Sunday morning services, participating in Bible studies, and all the church activities. Mom loves Lakeport's annual Sour Orange Festival, held the first Saturday in February each year. The festival features the celebrated Sour Orange Dessert Contest, which residents and visitors are alike and encouraged to enter desserts using the wild oranges, which gives the festival its name. In nearby Clewiston, Florida, the Red Barn is the place to be. Throughout the winter, once a month, owner Billy and his wife opens the Red Barn for the public to enjoy, hosting potluck dinners with gospel singers and a free will offering. Our entire family are happy that Mom and Jim are able to be snowbirds and enjoy their winter months in warmer weather. Their first year renting a camper to test the snowbird life out. It is official, they are snowbirds and have found Moorhaven and Lakeport, Florida perfect for them. My sisters Serena, Christy, and I rotate driving Mom and Jim back and forth from Ohio to Florida each year. This gives each of us quality time with them and a way for us to create lifetime memories. We make a point to stop, visit with family and friends while sightseeing along the way.
We are still ticking,
and loving life,
taking time out with our Prius.